A good morning all boys. Baruch Hashem, we have to be very thankful to Hashem that we have the schiyah, that we are mekirev to the Rebbe. The Rebbe teach us a way how to be close to Hashem. That was a story by the Rebbe. The Rebbe traveled with a balagula. In their days, they didn't have cars. They have a horse and buggy with a balagula, a driver. And in the middle of the way, the balagula says to the Rebbe that I'm really sorry that I have to go out from the regular way that everybody travels in this because there's traffic. I'm going out from this way. I'm taking a new way in the trees, in the woods. But this new way, this goes back to the old way. You understand my English? My English is not so good. Like in our days, when there's traffic, there's drivers, they sit in the traffic for hours. On the other side, there's drivers, they know the whole area. What? Take a detour. They go out from the regular way, take a new way, but after this old traffic, this way comes back, takes you back to the old way. So the balagula says for the Rebbe, I'm really sorry that I have to go away from this regular way. I have to take a detour because there's traffic. Oh, the Rebbe got excited, and the Rebbe says, this is what I'm doing. They always say that Breslev is a new way. It's not the regular way. It's not the simple way. The Rebbe says, I got off the way, the regular way, but this new way, where I'm taking you, all my Talmidim, this brings you back to the old way. Before the Rebbe comes, what was the way to be a Ehrlich Yid, to be a Tzaddik? If a person wants to be close to Hashem, what do you have to do? We have to fast. Let's say a person wants to get back to Hashem. I want to do tshuva. I want to do tshuva. What I have to do? The old stories from the old tzaddikim. In the holy tzaddikim, they fast. They fast the whole week from Shabbos till Shabbos. They how you say, make sigifim. Gilgul Shelik. You know what's... Yeah, they sit in snow, they sit in the cold water in the middle from the winter. They suffer a lot to be close to Hashem. So the Rebbe says, I'm making a new way. We are finished with this old way from Tanaisim. You have to fast and sigufim. You have to sleep on the floor. This old masas, this old stories, what we hear from the old tzaddikim. I have a new way for you. His body this. His body this. What means his body this? Talk to Hashem in your language. In your language. Let's say your language is English. Talk to Hashem in English. My language is Yiddish. I have to talk to Hashem in Yiddish. Other person comes from another place, talks Spanish, talk to Hashem in Spanish. Your language is... It's not a different what your language is. Hashem understand every language, all language. When a person starts talking to Hashem in his language, he got very close to Hashem. This is the way a person could get close to, let's say, husband to wife, for an example. Husband to wife. How a husband and a wife got connected, connect themselves with talking. The days where they are upset on each other, they don't talk. They live in the same house. She makes everything for the food and the laundry, and he goes to work, he pays the bills, but when they are in a fight, what's the only thing that stops? Talking. They don't talk. Yes? Let's say a child with Kinder mit Eltern. A child with his parents. Not a child, a bocher, no? Bocher is also a child? A bocher. So, you're not talking with your parents. You are broiges on them. You are upset on them. Everything goes on normally like before. You live in the same house, you sit by the same table, but you're not talking. We're not talking. A friend mentioned that a person on the side didn't see something goes on because, I see him. They walk together and in the same car together. I think you are zerkriegt with your father. I think you are in a fight with your father. I see you going with your father drives you. Yeah, but we are not talking. We are not talking. I'm in the same car, and I'm in the same house, and I'm helping him schlepping something, but I'm not talking to him. When I apologize, what changed? We are talking. We are talking. So the same thing, and much more, how is a person connected to Hashem? How is a person connected to God? The Rebbe says in Lekita Maran, there are people, they're learning, they're davening, but they are like in a dream. They slept 70 years. From outside, he looks like a great person, like a Ruv, like a Rosh Hashiva, like a Magid Shir, but he's not connected to Hashem. How you say like this? You're not connected to Hashem. He davens, he learns, he do all the mitzvahs. Yes, but he's not talking. It's like husband and wife sitting at the same table. She cooks, he brings the money, like a child and parents. We go in the same car. We are together, but we are not talking. We are not upset. We don't have shaykhs. Yeah, there's many times a husband and wife for three weeks for a chodesh, they're not talking. But nobody realized that something goes on here. It looks like, wow, they are very special. They have shalom bayis. But the husband and the wife, they know we are not talking. We are not connected. The same thing. A person, 70 years, he learns, he davens, he do mitzvahs, he comes, he's like a special yid. But he is not talking to Hashem. There's a story that there was a couple. They live in a 3-family house, two families, and the wife told for the husband that look, the other family here upstairs, they are so special, and they go out 2 times a week. They go out to chill together, and you don't take me out. You have to go out. The husband, what he didn't know where to go. He didn't know where to go spend time out from the house. So he says for the wife, what's wrong to spend time here? What's wrong to be to chill in the home, in the house? No, well, I'm watching. They go out 2 times. You know the story. They go out 2 times a week. You have to look. Come. I'm gonna show you in the window. Look. They go on the car. So dressed. They dress nice. So the husband says, look, maybe you go ask her. Ask the neighbor where they go. Maybe we could go spend time. But she was shy to go stipper on the nose. Wie heißt es, no? To be nosy. It's not so nice to ask you following me, but she got a schmooze with this lady, so I want to also go. Where are you going? I don't know. You have problems? She asked. We're going 2 times a week for help. We're going 2 times a week for marriage counseling. So she says, oh, it's good. But from outside, he can't. People says, wow, he got married special. And he how you say it in English? Wow, he had git chasana gehad. Dat is ook een mensje, no? How you say it? Yeah, he had a moeilijk special leven. He didn't know nothing what going on between. Maybe they don't talking. Or outside they make. The image. It's like wow, they are very special. So the Rebbe says the same thing. There is people. They live 70 years. They're learning. It's very scary. It's learning, davening, doing mitzvahs, special. But this is like a dream. This is like they sleep for 70 years because they don't talk to Hashem. They don't have shaykhs. This is the matuna what the Rebbe says. There's an old highway, Tanaisim, Segifim, Gilgul Shelek. You have to fast, you have to do hard things, you have to suffer, you have to torture torturing your body, yourself. The Rebbe says, I have a new way. It's bothered us. A new way, a new highway. There's an old way with bumps, with grieber. Holes. It's very dangerous to go, and there's a new way, beautiful new pavement. You could speed here without a bump, without suffering, without shaking. This is the Rebbe's way. He's bothered us. You want to be connected to Hashem. You want to be close to Hashem. Start talking to Hashem. This make you happy. You ask me before I start the shir, I should talk how a person should be happy. If a person is connected, if a person talks to Hashem every day, everything it bothers him. Simple, say it. Not in a formal way. It's not like you have to, let's say, Shachris Mincha Maariv, you have to say this Nisach HaTfilah. The Anshe Knesset Gdoyle says, this is the Nisach HaTfilah every Yid, every Jew has to say, Shachris Mincha Maariv every day. And the Rambam says in Hilchas Tfilah, what is the mitzvah's esef in Tfilah? The mitzvah's esef in Tfilah is a person should talk to Hashem in his language, what bothers him, and what he's thankful for Hashem. But the Anshe Knesset Gdoyle sees that it's going to be a long gulas. The people gonna forget from Tfilah. So they make this rule, Shachris Mincha Maariv, to save a person. You are in the mood, you're not in the mood, you have what to pray, you don't have what to pray, you have to do this. This holds you near to Hashem. But the real Tfilah is a person talks to Hashem in his language. My language is English. I'm asking Hashem, help me financially, help me to find a shidduch. I have a shidduch already, help me, I should have shulam bayis. Help me, I should have nachas for my kids. I have a problem with this child, I have a problem with this child. Stam, shmuz with the Eibishter. You sit in your car, turn on the music, a nice song, opens your heart, start shmuzing with Hashem. It's the best thing. This makes a person happy. This makes a person close to Hashem. It's like I said, the mushal, shulam bayis. They're many times we're not talking. She got upset. You come home a little bit late, and she scream at you, and you get upset. Why you scream? Why you treating me like this? What you treat? You can't talk nicely. And she waits. The husband should apologize, and the husband wait. I have to apologize. Leave me alone. If you're gonna apologize, I give you one more chance. From outside, nobody knows that now it's ungezeugen. Intense. Now you have to live. You have to make. Nobody should halt mit. No, nobody should know. The kids, the family. You're going to your father, to your shver. father-in-law, but nobody knows that now we are not connected. We are not talking. Same thing. There's Voile Yidden, good people that doing everything, mitzvahs, masm tovim, but they're not schmusing with Hashem. This is the Rebbe's new way, the new highway, detour. Take a exit out from this old highway, this old expressway, this full of holes and bumps. Take the new way from his body. This gonna make you close to Hashem. You're listening, Yossi? No, because here in America, United States, it's summer, there's no school. Yeah, summer's no school. So what do you have to do July, August? Vacation. Vacation from what? Vacation. So even you take a job summer, even you're not going to be in Shiva summer, but you have to be connected to Hashem summer also. There's not a chilik. There is not a different summer other than the winter. Every day I have to put tefillin. Every day I have to go daven shachris mincha marav. And a whole day, what bothers me, or anything what goes on me, I have to talk to Hashem. Hashem should help. We should live with this. You're gonna have a good